Hello, my friends. Hello, Wildcats, my teammates. Well, I want to explain the same video of Spanish version of how you get free games of Epic Games in your PC. It's very important to the first option is your login or register. Next, you need to go in the section of store and search in the menu the option of discover, browse, news, wishlist or card. The option is discover. When you click in discover, you need to go down and find the section of free games. In these free games, you need to click the first option. It's in this time is behind the frame, and when you click, appear the page of this game, and for example, find another game, and we'll see how to is. For example, Marvel Rebels. In this time, it's in my library. Sorry, we need to go, and one game it's free. But never I pay for free. For example, in this Infinity that you need to get. It's the same for free games. You need to click in get. When you appear this option, gracias, only exception, you need to thanks for order and continue browsing on view library. It's very important to understand when you get, it's not download or install directly. You need to go continue and library and find the game you get. In this time it's Infinity Nikki or behind the frame. When you want to install, it's only to click in install and wait the time to installation. All of these games I get doing these things. Every week I connect it and see what game is in the section of free games, and if the game I like, I I go to get. Well, thanks for all. If you like this explanation, you can let one like and let some comment. Please don't so hard with my English. It's not my mother language, but I can do videos in English with my level because in my job I need good level of English. Well, thanks for all. I can repeat. Sorry for repeat. One of games I recommend so hard. It's the option of one moment. How it's this Black Widow. It's one roguelike, for example, very similar to Nordic Ashes or Brotato, and you need to kill different ways. And your spider it's evolved. Well, okay, finish. Thanks for watch and see you another time. Bye.